Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Discord account. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to create Discord account. So let's get started. So guys, to create Discord account, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Discord. Now simply click on first link. Here you can see the option of login. So click on login. So guys, if you already have Discord account, so simply you can log in. And if you don't have account, so here it is written need an account and simply register. So click on register. Now enter here your email address. So I am entering here this email address. Now username, I am going to type here Trendy Startups. Then password. So create here a strong password. Now enter here your date of birth. So I am entering here a demo date of birth. So that you can see the option written. It's okay to send me email with Discord updates, tips and special offers. You can opt it out at any time. So if you want to check this box, so you can, but I don't want. So I'm simply going to click on continue. So here you can see create an account. So simply check this box. So I'm going to select here gaming. So here I'm going to select for me and my friend. Server name, okay, then simply click on create. Now simply click on take me to my server. So guys, here you can see our account has been created. So guys, this is our username and this is our account. So guys, here you can see we have created Discord account. So you can also create Discord account by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.